To enable backtap gesture on Google Pixel 11, first we want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you want to scroll down a little bit, and we need to find the System option. Here in System Settings, we can find the gestures, so let's go ahead and open this, and then we have Quick Tap to start actions. Now we can of course turn on the Quick Tap gesture, which is the back tap gesture, and then you can decide what should happen when you double tap the back of the phone. By default, we have this screenshot, but of course you can choose anything else, and you can even pick an app of your own choice over here that should be opened when you perform that gesture. And also you can require stronger taps if you don't want to, for example, accidentally perform this gesture. So let's take a look if it's going to work. I'm just going to double tap at the back of the phone to see if it works. And I guess we need to find the perfect spot where we should tap in order to actually make it work. There we go. Now it worked. So I assume we have to tap somewhere close to the Google logo over here, maybe slightly above it. I'm still trying to figure out where is the perfect spot for this. But it seems that the Google logo is actually the perfect spot. You can just even lightly tap over here to make it work. At least sometimes it does. There we go. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.